Hi, welcome to this training video on how to upload a WordPress theme. As we have said in previous videos, when you install WordPress on your cPanel, it comes with pre-installed themes and they are usually not beautiful and functional. So an example is this page we are looking at. This is reflecting one of the pre-installed themes, which is the 2019 theme, and it's not beautiful as you can see. So we are going to show you three methods by which you can upload WordPress theme. So we are going to show you three methods by which you can upload your WordPress theme. The first method is to find, install and activate a WordPress theme from the WordPress directory. So for example, if you come to Appearance, just like what we showed you in previous video, click on the Add New button and then click on the Add New button and look at the theme that you want to install. So our first method is to find, install and activate from the WordPress directory. So let's say we have found this theme which is titled Uni Education. The next thing it will do is to install it. After installing it, we can go ahead to activate it. Before activating it, you can take your time to check out the live preview of the theme. So as you can see, this Uni Education theme has been installed. We are now left to activate it or take a live preview of it. You can at your own time do live preview, but right now I'm just going to activate. Now there are two ways to activate. You can either activate straight away using this button, or you can first of all go to check your themes again. As you can see, we used to have these three themes listed here. Now we have the Uni Education theme right here. Like we have said, you can activate it immediately after installing it, or you come here to activate it. Okay, so if I hit the activate button now, the 2019 will cease from becoming the theme, and then now our current theme is now Uni Education theme. So if I click this page and refresh it, we are going to have the Uni Education theme right here. So this is the Uni Education theme. Okay, as you can see, the theme is not looking like it. You know why? Because we are yet to import the demo content. Okay, so we are going to be doing that in another video. This is just to show you the first method of uploading a WordPress theme. Now let us treat the second method in uploading a WordPress theme. The second method is achievable by uploading the zip file of a theme you downloaded from either wordpress.org theme directory or from website that serve as marketplace for WordPress theme. So let's say we have downloaded a theme from any of the marketplace website I had shown you before. This is where I'm going to select the file. Okay, I am simply going to go to where I have my zip file and then drag it and drop it. Okay, so by clicking this install now button, it's going to install the theme. As you can see, I am done uploading the theme I got from a third-party website. So just like in the first method, I have the option to have a live preview of it, and I also have an option to activate it immediately after uploading it. But I want to show you how it is listed in my total number of themes. If you could remember, we initially had three themes that came with the WordPress installation on cPanel, which was the 2019 theme, the 2018, which was the 2019, the 2017 and the 2016 theme, which I told you that they are usually not beautiful and functional. And you can also remember that from method 1, I installed, and you can remember how I installed the Uni Education theme. So now I just finished uploading self-graphic theme I got from a third-party website. So as you can also see, you have the option, to do a live preview or to activate the theme. So you can go on to do a live preview while I just activate it for the purpose of this training. As you can see, now that it has finished activating, the Uni Education theme ceases to be my theme, while the self-graphic theme is now my new theme. So on the front side, we are currently seeing the Uni Education theme. By the time I refresh the page, I am going to be seeing the self-graphic theme. So here is it. What you are seeing right now is the self-graphic theme. And the reason why it is looking so bare is because, just like in Uni Education, I told you, we have not imported the demo files. So it's not going to look like what you find in your live preview, okay? So that is the second method of how to upload a WordPress theme. I want us to move over to the third method of uploading a WordPress theme to File Manager on cPanel, okay? So this is how you are going to do that. Click on File Manager, click on the public HTML folder. You're going to see WP content. You're going to click on Themes. Good. Look at what we have here. On your cPanel, the self-graphic we just finished uploading is here. The 2019 we met is here, the 2017 we met is here, and the 2016 we met. Now look at the Uni Education theme we initially uploaded before uploading the self-graphic theme. So this means that our work from the WordPress dashboard and cPanel, they are working hand in hand. So right now I want to add another theme. Now instead of using the WordPress dashboard, I'm using cPanel. Remember what I said. When you come to your cPanel, click on File Manager, then proceed to the public HTML folder, then click on WP content, then click on Themes, and then you have all your themes listed. So what you simply do is you upload the theme that you have. So in my own case, I want to install Portal e-commerce theme. So I'm simply going to drag this theme and drop it here. As you can see, the Portal e-commerce theme is currently uploading to File Manager. So you're just going to wait until the uploading is complete. So our uploading is now complete, and then this button or this link tells us to go straight to where the themes are listed. As you can see, we are now having the Portal themes. So the next thing you will do now is to right click on the Portal theme and click on Extract. Clicking on the Extract makes you to bring out the folder containing the Portal themes. So this is done, and then I'm going to hit the Close button. I'm going to refresh this page and see what I have, okay? Okay, so as you can see, after refreshing the page, I went through to my theme, and here is what I have. I now have Porto listed on my theme. Okay, now let us go back to your WordPress dashboard. Look at it now, make sure you watch very well. I'm having 5 themes here. By the time I refresh the page, that's by pressing Ctrl R, now we now have 6 themes. We have Self-Graphy. This is Porto I just uploaded using cPanel, File Manager, WP and Themes. Okay, this is Porto I just uploaded through File Manager. This is your 2019, 2017, 2016 theme, and this was the Uni Education theme we uploaded with method 1. So as you've been shown before, if I click on this activate button, Self-Graphy is going to cease to become the theme of my website, and it's now going to be Porto. So with this, we've come to the method of uploading WordPress theme. I want to quickly go over it again. The first method is to find, install and activate from the WordPress directory in your WordPress dashboard. The second method is to add a theme. The second method is to add a theme you downloaded from maybe WordPress.org or from other websites that serve as marketplace for WordPress themes. The third method is to upload the zip file of any theme you got through your file manager, and this theme could be gotten from WordPress.org or other websites that serve as marketplace for WordPress themes. With this, we've come to the end of this video on how to upload a WordPress theme. See you in another video.